Welcome back to the IS Companion. In today's lecture, we will discuss positive psychology, the study of what makes life worth living. Positive psychology shifts the focus from pathology to strengths and virtues, aiming to understand and promote factors that allow individuals and communities to thrive. Defining positive psychology. What is positive psychology? Positive psychology is the scientific study of positive aspects of human life, such as happiness, well being, and flourishing. Historical background. The term positive psychology was popularized by Martin Seligman in the late 1990s, though its roots trace back to humanistic psychologists like Abraham Maslow and Carl Rogers. Core concepts and theories. The PERMA model. Martin Seligman's PERMA model identifies five essential elements of well being: positive emotions, engagement, relationships, meaning, accomplishment, flow. Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi's concept of flow describes a state of complete immersion and enjoyment in an activity, enhancing creativity and satisfaction. Character strengths and virtues. Peterson and Seligman identified 24 character strengths organized into six core virtues: wisdom, courage, humanity, justice, temperance, and transcendence. Key areas of study: happiness and well being. Positive psychology examines genetic predispositions, life circumstances, and intentional activities that contribute to happiness. Resilience. Research explores how individuals and communities can bounce back from adversity through social support, coping strategies, and positive emotions. Gratitude and mindfulness. Practices like gratitude journaling and mindfulness meditation boost well being by enhancing positive emotions and reducing stress. Influential studies and theories. The Nun study. This study found that positive emotional content in early autobiographies of nuns was associated with longevity, highlighting the impact of positive emotions on health. The broaden and build theory. Barbara Fredrickson's theory suggests that positive emotions broaden our awareness and build personal resources over time. The Via classification of strengths. Peterson and Seligman's framework for understanding and measuring positive traits has become widely used. Applications and implications. Positive education. Incorporating positive psychology in education can enhance students' well being and academic performance through resilience, mindfulness, and character strengths programs. Positive psychotherapy. Positive psychology interventions focus on clients' strengths and promote positive emotions and meaning, complementing traditional therapeutic approaches. Workplace well being. Positive psychology principles can improve employee satisfaction and productivity through recognizing strengths, fostering positive relationships, and promoting work life balance. Limitations and challenges. Cultural relevance. Positive psychology must consider cultural differences in values and well being expressions, ensuring research and interventions are inclusive. Overemphasis on positivity. A balanced approach that acknowledges the full range of human emotions is necessary to avoid neglecting negative experiences. Measuring subjective well being. Assessing well being can be challenging due to its subjective nature, requiring more objective and reliable tools. Conclusion. Positive psychology offers valuable insights into achieving a fulfilling and meaningful life. By applying its principles, we can enhance our well being and promote flourishing in individuals and communities. Thank you for exploring positive psychology. Follow us on YouTube, www.youtube.com/@iscompanion.